Right.
What's up guys, I'm trains here at Farnham Stn LC crossing. The crossing should be just about to go down for the 1356 1 Alpha 35 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to Alton, and also possibly for our 1358 1 Alpha 44 Southwest train service from Alton to London Waterloo. The crossing should be about to go off. We'll come back when it goes off. There we go. What's up guys, trains here we're at Farnham Stn LC crossing in Surrey. The train's here. You see that? Slow barrier. Okay, you see the trains there. Time is now 13:55 on Saturday the 20th of May 2017. Crossing is down for our 1356 1 Alpha 35 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to Alton, and also probably for the 1358 1 Alpha 44 Southwest train service from Alton to London Waterloo. The other trains just left Aldershot one late, so the crossing's not going to Brayford because the other train's in the station. There's actually no misuse or anything. Might see if we can stay for the next closure, but I don't think we will, because I've got to go back to Alton. That one closure's fine. You can see the wigwag over there. Go across the road quick. Might see if we can do a quick intro. Let's see, there's the level crossing information. There's a light. First train should be coming from that way. Doors aren't actually open on that train. Wait to be there we go. 455 45 53 40 72 to I think this could be an 8 actually. There's it's only an 8. 45 53 72 from London Waterloo, and up they go. That train's got its tail lights on. Something might have happened on that one. So they could be bringing up an empty stock from. Look, they might be bringing an empty stock up from the depot because that train may have failed. Yeah, from the looks of it, I think that train may have failed. So we may be looking at a delayed London Waterloo train. Yeah, that train may have failed. So there's 450 006 on the back of that. You know, train's turned around. That could be interesting. Anyway, thanks guys, see you next video. What's up guys, trains here. See the train now standing in platform number 1 at Farnham is the delayed 1324 Southwest train service from Alton. Looks like this train was delayed between Alton and Bentley. This is due to a problem with the onboard safety systems. So this train has been terminated here. This train was the 1 Alpha 42 Southwest train service from Alton to London Waterloo, but this train has now been terminated here. That's due to a problem with the onboard safety systems. It looks as though that they're running a train out of Alton and is on its way up here. Will arrive at 13:59 for a departure back to for departure from Farnham at 14:01. So from the looks of it, they are bringing a train up from Farnham CSD. Well, thanks guys, see you next video.